Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix FaceTime not working on iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, I have some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, firstly, check your internet connection if it is working or not. So first of all, check your internet connection. So guys, my internet is working good right now. So go back, and the next solution is set date and time automatically. For this, open settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on date and time, and then tap on set automatically. After this, go back, and the next solution is disable FaceTime content restrictions. For this, open settings, scroll down, tap on screen time, scroll down, tap on content and privacy restrictions. So simply tap to turn this content and privacy restrictions off. Go back now, and the next solution is restart your iPhone. So for the restart iPhone, tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So drag this slider to the right. After restarting your iPhone, open the lock screen here, and the next solution is, guys, update your iPhone. So for this, open settings, tap on general, tap on software update. So guys, check for update. If you haven't updated your iPhone to the latest iOS version, so update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So it's checking for update because of the slow connection, so wait for it. So you can see, guys, the new version is available. So simply update your iPhone to the latest iOS. Go back now, and the next solution is disable and re-enable FaceTime. So for this, open settings, scroll down and find FaceTime here and tap on it. So simply tap to turn this FaceTime off here and then turn on again. So wait for it to activate. So go back and open and activate it. So guys, here are some simple solutions to fix your FaceTime issue on your iPhone. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.